Marianne Binetti, and this is a remarkable new Daphne. It's called Daphne Eternal Fragrance. What I love about it is it's not as fussy as other Daphnes as long as it has good drainage, and this blooms wonderfully even though it doesn't get full sun. Now it is in a raised bed, so it gets really good drainage, but what I've discovered, and which I had no idea, didn't say in any of the information, you can prune this Daphne all summer long, and it's so fragrant, and just a couple of blooms last a long time as a cut flower. So I've been pruning on this Daphne all summer. I simply follow a stem down to a joint and get these big bushy bouquets, and every place I prune, it seems to just resprout and grow more flowers. So you can see originally the instructions on this new Daphne, it's supposed to be a compact plant, only maybe 2 feet wide, 2 feet tall, but obviously it's growing way better than expected. It's hanging over the edge of my raised bed, so it makes it really great for me to just come in here, prune off branches, stick them in a vase of water, and you're going to see the flowers last long, they're fragrant. It's a remarkable new shrub. I highly recommend this Daphne Eternal Fragrance. It'll bring you eternal joy in the garden. This has been Marianne Binetti. Easy answers for great gardens.